Welcome back in the class Easy Learning Primavera P6. Student, in this session we'll be learning for the user preferences and admin preferences. Before going to user preferences, you can have this shortcut. This is a portfolio shortcut. This is a project. This is a resource. This is a report, and this is a tracking. Down below there is activity, WBS, and resource assignment. So you can use this shortcut, else you can use the project menu bar and enterprises menu bar. So we'll look for the user preference first. In user preference, you don't have to worry about all the menu, but which is related to user, that will be time unit. If you want to change unit, you can change it, day, week, month. Okay, duration format also you can change it. Then date format also you can change it, month, day, year, right? Then time format also you can change, 24 hours or 12 hours. Again, it is a currency. There is a currency shown here, you can change it. If you want to add a new currency, then we have to go with a different process. It is the admin preference. This setting is related to user. Then this is your assistance. There are two wizards are available. If you check it, then you will get assistance while you are creating a new resource or you are creating new activity. And this last is application. This is where you want that application window to be open when you start up the application. You can select it and you can open it. Right, friend? So this is about the user preferences. Okay, related to password, resource analysis, these are the already set by admin, so you don't have to worry about this. Okay, student, so this is about the user preference. Now here is a window for the admin preferences. So once you click on admin preferences, there are general tab, there are data limit, how many characters is there. This all will be set by admin. Just for your information, I'm showing you the admin is doing the settings from here. The time period, earn value, the reports, the option, right? So one by one, when you are go through, once you are expert in the Primavera, then you go to the admin preferences and you can check the setting. But I will advise, till the time you are not confident about the basic operation, you should not go to the admin preferences. So again, here is a view tab where you can toolbar will be available. In this toolbar you can use it. That side menu will be enable and disable, right? So student, for this session will close. Stay tuned and get benefited for the next session. Thank you.